placed the weight on theory and Sims placed it on data. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question related to this, you can ask.
Sir, I have a very stupid question.
Gigi.
Normally, when we say after regression, we regress it with the lag period of the same term. But auto-regressive does not take into account the difference of the lag term. If we take the difference of the lag term, what the possible outcome? What could be the possible outcome in that case? If some variable is getting significant at first lag or significant first lag, does it matter?
Okay. Actually, this taking differencing or not taking differences, this is a decision which can be guided by the data. Differencing is a kind of restriction on general AR model. Yes. What you can do is to estimate the model and test the restriction. If restriction allows you, you can take the differencing. And this is one of the features that we will discuss in this course.
But sir, if the dependent variable is yt, then it is stationary, then we have no need to take the difference of yt. Suppose if yt is non-stationary, then again there, if we take the difference of yt, then again there is no need to take the difference of yt. In both cases, there is no need to take the difference of yt.
Can you repeat?
So I am saying that if we are working with auto-regressive process and our dependent variable is yt and independent is yt minus 1. So if we are taking our yt is a stationary process, so there is no need to take the difference on the both sides. But suppose yt is non-stationary and we take the difference, then again if we put the yt minus 1 as a lag, then there is again no need to take the difference of lag term because it is already stationary.
Right. Basically, what he is saying, if you have stationary series, it's already stationary, there is no need to take difference. If you have unit root series, you are taking difference, it will become stationary. You can put the leg on the other side, and then there is no need of taking leg again. Actually, we will go into the details of unit root testing, and in unit root testing, you have the differences of the series on the right side, which is called augmentation. We will go into the details of this, but basically what happens, two things we have to remember, which is this will come again and again. There is lot of subjectivity. This science looks like something objective where there is no role of my and your intentions, but actually there is no subjectivity. There are lots of decisions which we have to make from our own minds, number one. And number two, lots of things can be drawn from the data. Once you look at the data will tell you whether you can take the difference or not.
Both are rightly indicated these things, but objective and perspective of my question was to ask that is there any role of differentiating in selection lag of criteria?
Differencing in leg, selection of legs.
Selection of lag.
In unit root testing, you put the differences on right side and they play the role in selection of the appropriate legs.
So from unit to we can also be.
Yes. This can be generalized to any scenario. this is basically, if you are talking about this is univariate models, it can be generalized to the multivariate models. You can put in the difference terms on the right side. Any other question? Okay, so let's take a break for 5 minutes, and after that we will do the practice on computers.